I saw new heaven and new earth. For the first heaven and the first earth passed away, passed away. There was no more sea. I, John, saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, coming down from God out of heaven, prepared as a bride, adorned for her husband. I heard a great voice out of heaven saying, behold, the tabernacle of God is with humanity, and God will dwell with them, and they shall be God's people, and God himself shall be with them. There, be there, God. God shall wipe away all tears from their eyes. There shall be no more death, neither sorrow nor crying, neither shall there be any more pain. Passed away, yeah, passed away, passed away, passed away, passed away, passed away. And he who sat upon the throne said, behold, I make all things new. And he said to me, write these words, write this down, for these words are true and faithful. And he said to me, it is done. It is done. I am Alpha, I am Omega, the beginning and the end. And I will give unto them who are thirsty of the fountain of the water of life freely. And those who overcome, he, she, they who overcome, they shall inherit all things. And I, Jesus, God, will be his God, her God, and you, he, she, you, us, shall be his son, his daughter, his begotten of himself, his children.